Let's talk about some stakes. The last thing we think about are stakes, but it's the first thing we're searching for every time we get to the job site. Like, where's the stakes? And the guys are digging through the trucks, and I don't have any. We're hooking string lines and equalizers up the trees and people's tires and shit. So we've solved the problem. These are some really good stakes. These are hardened steel. These do not bend. They don't mushroom on top. So we've got a great solution for you. They're 3 foot long, so even in loose soil, you have a positive footing. You can drive the thing down some burly soil, and it's not going to pull out or move on you. So uh, the problem the concern you're gonna have is, yeah, but Sean, those things cost like $30. Right. We don't want to lose them. So we're powder coating them for you, whatever color you need us to powder coat, to make them very visible so you can see them on the job site, so we don't leave them behind. We also have a holder for them. So you mount this holder on the truck, somewhere by the front of the truck, so it's very easy to see that we are missing a stake. At the end of the day, before we leave, go back and try to find it. As long as we can visually see that we're missing one. If these are all in the pile, the guys aren't going to count them every day. But if they all have a home to slide right into, we'll see that we're missing stakes, right? So being that they're hardened steel, they're not going to bend. These things are really strong. Hitting them with a hammer over and over and over. They don't mushroom, which gives you the sharp edges that tear up your equalizers. With the holder, you're not going to lose them. Powder coat or whatever color you need. These are a game changer. We're coming to lay on. Like, if you have 12 of these on a truck, you can lay out most residential backyards with the 12, no problem. This will be your 2 inner corners and a couple of mid stakes in the middle of the lines, and get the job laid out in less than 10 minutes with an equalizer. So they're really a valuable tool and overlooked more often than not. Don't stop using rebar and top rail. We got a solution. Stakes.